You what? What do you do with it? You eat the Play-Doh? You don't eat the Play-Doh. No.
What do you do with it?
What?
You eat the Play-Doh.
You don't eat the Play-Doh. You're supposed to make like little snowmen and everything out of it, not eat the Play-Doh. No. So what are you going to do with the Play-Doh tomorrow? No, tomorrow if we play with Play-Doh, what are you going to do with it? What are you going to do with it tomorrow? Yeah, what are we going to do with the Play-Doh tomorrow? Are you going to eat it? Huh? You going to eat? You can't eat it. No. What are you going to do to the Play-Doh? Yeah, are you going to eat it?
Eat it.